All right, so this is the second video follow-up to the empirical formulas video. This would be the next step if you want to also find the molecular formula from an empirical formula. So it's going to start the same. You're going to still find the empirical formula first. Once you know that, you're going to calculate the molar mass of that empirical formula just by adding up the pieces like we've done in the past. And then you're going to divide that empirical formula's mass by the molar mass given in the problem of the actual molecule. And then you look at that ratio and you may have to apply a multiplier. And I'll explain that with this example here. So if we've got succinic acid, and again we're given the percentages, so we're going to convert those as grams. So the 40.68% carbon becomes 40.68 grams of carbon, hydrogen 5.08, and oxygen 54.25. So again, you're going to be dividing by the molar mass instead of drawing it out with dimensional analysis like I've done here. On these ones, I just quickly divide by the molar mass. Once you've done that, you can get the ratio of moles. And at that point, you're going to again divide by the least value. So we're going to divide each of them by 3.39. So of course, carbon and oxygen will both be 1. And the hydrogen ends up being really close to 1.5. So then we've got a 1 to 1.5 to 1 ratio for the empirical formula. So to get that into whole numbers, we're going to multiply everything by 2. And that gives us a empirical formula of C2H3O2. And then we have to find the molar mass of that empirical formula. So I will leave that for you to verify, but just adding up 2 carbons, 3 hydrogens, 2 oxygens gives you a molar mass of 59.05 grams per mole. And then in the problem up here, it says that the molar mass of the succinic acid is 118.1 grams per mole. So you take the given molar mass divided by the empirical formula's molar mass, and that's exactly a 2-to-1 ratio. So that tells us that the molecule has twice as much as the empirical formula. So all you're going to do now is take your empirical formula and then double it. And that's how you do that.